Hey everyone, this is the Maths Guy channel here, and today we're going to be talking about measure of center and spread. So in this sense, we're going to talk about probabilities in this sense, and later on, I guess you can understand. You understand how this works. So the expected value. We're going to use some new words. So in probability, you'll learn the term expected value. And that's the same as a mean. So if I roll a dice or whatever, like if I roll a dice, what's the expected number? I'll get on average, that sort of thing. And so that's in the formal notation, E of x, expected value. And you have this really long notation here. So E of x is x1 p x1 multiplied by the probability of x being that plus x2 multiplied by the probability of x equals 2, etc. And so here they can sum that all up in the very bottom part. So it's saying is the summation between x equals 1 and x equals n of xn. If here x equals x of n. So let's say for example okay, let's say if we use a dice for example, so we know that the dice has x can take as let x be like the number that appears on the dice. X can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So you can have x is 1, x is 6. So you do x1 multiplied by probability of x is going to be 1, and this is a summation. So you add the probabilities of x. Again, x is 1, x is 2, x blah blah blah, etc, etc. So here we have an example here. It says find the expected value of the random variable with the probability density probability distribution. Okay, so yeah, like I've said in my previous videos, these photos, these snippets are from the Jacaranda 2019 edition, so 6th edition, I believe. Yeah, this makes it a lot easier. So what you do is that you follow this formula, x1 plus that. So it'll be, instead of x1, it'll be x10 plus x20. So x1, and you multiply it here. So yeah, so 10 times 0.42. So this is the first x times this. So x1 prx equals x1. So 10 times 0.42 plus 20 times 0.3, etc, etc. So you add. So you multiply these numbers, you add them together, and you get 19.1. Yeah, and next we're gonna be going on. So this is called the linear properties of the expected value. So sometimes when you have other questions, they'll ask you in this form. So I'll say what the probability of let's say if you know ex as I don't know 10 or something, what's the probability of ex, e of I don't know 5x plus something onto it, and through a proof you get e of a of x plus b equals a. So you take that a out. So a times e of x plus e of b. And here in the last part here, the second part. So you have e x plus y, then you can separate them. As so. Okay, here we go. So now we're going to talk about what's called variance and standard deviation. So variance is a measure. It measures the spread of data. So if you remind yourself like a how do I put it? Like if you have a bar chart, for example, or something, and you can see where the data is. Variance tells you and gives you a rough idea of how spread out the data is. And the variance is in the form notation is a variance of x. Yeah, is same as sigma squared, and you calculate it by saying calculating e of x squared minus the expected value squared. So just make sure. So you put this as x squared inside, and this is getting the expected value like this, and then squaring it. And the standard deviation, we're gonna go through this later, but it's in essence for now it's just the square root of the variance. It tells you how many z-scores it is away from the mean. I'll elaborate on that in later videos, but it's saying it's the square root of variance of x is the same as sigma. And the properties, and last we're going to go through the properties of the variance. So I'm saying for variance in the form of ax plus b, the b disappears and you get a squared in front. And yeah, that'll be all.